Well, northeast Oklahoma had some winds last night. Can't tell. That's not supposed to be like that. And yeah, it was getting kind of rotten. Just didn't think it was quite that bad yet, but anyway, we got to put in a couple posts. You can see where we had our walk path around the post. And this gate was right here, going right there to that pole, so we could drive in and out the yard. Well, throw up a cattle panel on an angle. So now we got to set a couple posts anyhow. So what do you think, Mama? She didn't even know it was storming.
Who didn't?
You.
I knew it was.
You was out. But that'll keep the goats in. Dogs has already been out and back in the house, so we got projects. Oh yeah, and goats got plenty of snacks, so there's some over in that yard we got to go get to over at Mom's house. So yeah, that's how our Father's Day is going. How's y'all's going? Hope it's a lot better. Hope y'all got the rain you needed and wanted. Why can't I see a black goat? Where'd he go? Oh, he's past that one. Okay.
Yeah, I see him.
I'm sorry. My bad. There's his little black head down there. Or bud or something. Tail. All counted 4 and still alive, so.
He stayed in the barn.
Electricity will be back on about noon, so I'm going to go over and start the generator and put it on Mom and Dad's house. Keep the refrigerator stuff cold, so.
I'm gonna go get the
We'll
pancake part.
We'll see y'all later. Love yous. Thanks so much for watching.